Hello, beautiful people. Reach me. Welcome to another programming training of mine. Firstly, we will do 5 minutes of typing. I'm trying to keep down the error rate, which I do, and then we will do 25 minutes of TypeScript. So let's get into it. We start with error, of course. Well, not of course, but it happened. Interruptible. Return 0. TMP if the return space then that ask panic task uninterruptible. Oh, that's a word. If TMP state equals 0 with interruptible sleep on struct struct space. Okay. I'm brewing the tea. No, I'm not. Okay, good. 3%. Nice. Let's continue. Oh, not that one. This one. Abstract T. Crap. TMP if P return if current space init task panic task 0 trying to sleep. Oh crap. TMP equal current beat current state task interruptible schedule if P and star P current P state equals 0. Go to repeat P equal null if TMP state equals 0 with start like so. Okay, I'll finish this one. State copy equal no. Do timer long cpl. Here we go. 6%. I'll keep the practice. We'll reset the time and we will go to this one. Typescript. Code problem. Write an assert string assertion function. Make sure that its argument has the type unknown. Okay, assertion, so input, and that will be unknown. And it will be asserts. Input is string. I think space like so, and here we will say if it's not string, throw an error. So if type of input is not equal to string, and then should close that. We will throw the error. Throw new error, and we'll put nothing in the message. And that should be it, right? And I'm missing the colon in here. This one should be red. Input is string. Hope for the best. And it's good. Here's code. Write an ist number type card. It should take an argument of type unknown. So we will say that is number. Okay, so we will have an input input that will be unknown as well. Then it will asserts input is number, like so. And the same thing we will do if it's not, we'll throw an error. If type of input is not number, then throw new error. This is not number, for example, like so. And I will close this and close the function. So let's check for typos. Is number input unknown, asserts input number, number row. Okay, so I have a problem. Type error, type number undefined is not assignable to type number. Asserts input, unknown. Where's the error? Dun, 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 type error. Okay, if it's number, this is true, we should put n. But this doesn't assert anything. I should take an argument of type unknown. That is what's different. Okay, we have I don't see it at the first glance. Right, is number type guard. So here I grab. Well, that will be one, but it's besides the point because what the hell is this? Hmm. What did I did wrong? It says input number is number. Okay, so this should return Boolean first of all. Okay. So I so this is assertion, and this should be the type guard. So it should say return type of. Oh, okay. That would be here. It would be a return statement, and it will return Boolean, and it will return input is number, I think, if I remember correctly. So this will be one. Any assigned to never. No, you cannot assign to never. Nothing can be the error. This is type error. Nothing can be assigned to never. Type nested number array. And we did put in objects. This is type error. User any is name. Yeah, this will unfortunately work. Name Amira. This is why it is dangerous. Type nested number array. This will be working. Okay. False or 1. So this will return false because this one will return the first value, which is not null and not undefined. False. Const a never equals false. This is type error. We cannot assign to never. And here's something for me to complete. Use any to make below to compile. Okay, easy. Delete any. This function has a bug. Okay, so this, yeah. So here is how I was supposed to write that type card, and it should check for it for the input being a number, but it's actually checking it as a string. So now the TypeScript will think it is a number, but it's not. So it will assign it. So we will have oh no, like that. And we have a second chance to write the thing. So input will be undefined. No, unknown, and then the result will be input is number, like this, and here we will have a simple return type of input equals number, and that should be the thing that works, and it does. Yay, that's cool. And okay, I finished this as well. You'll still get the reviews and any lesson that we add. Oh, that's freaking cool. So now I have those completed. And let's try to find something. Okay, so the way the V3 schools, do they have a TypeScript course? Maybe I could go over this HTML, JavaScript, jQuery, React, blah 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 blah. No, they don't. They don't. They don't. They don't. They don't. They don't. Okay, so we will script to. What about going to the original source type script and put it in there? JetBrains, Typescriptlang, that's the thing I want. JavaScript, that scales. Okay, so there's a playground. I like playground. Okay, hello world. Okay, so this is something which I can maybe use to play around with. But maybe I want the documentation. Superset of JavaScript. Learn it fast. Okay, that sounds good. Index, tutorials, start learning, handbook, examples, samples, start a project. Whoa. Okay, there's many things. Relax, tooling, webpack, plugin. Okay, this one I visited already, I think. So, I don't know, start learning. 5-minute overview. Okay, so it's 12, so it should be around 8. So that's almost 6. So let's see how truthful this is. It's usually not at all. So let's get started by building a simple web application with TypeScript. Installing TypeScript. There are two main ways to get the TypeScript tools. Visual Studio, blah blah blah. Update in TypeScript by default. If you didn't install TypeScript with Visual Studio, you can still download it. For NPM users, you type something in it, building your first TypeScript, compiling is DSC something, and then we have like now starting advantage. Okay, so this here is the type annotations are lightweight, way to record intended contract to the function. In this case, we intend to greet our function to be called with a single string parameter. Recompiling, you see an error. So here's a string and here's a user. Where's the problem? User, we have greeter and it should accept string. And here's okay. Recompiling, you see an error. Cool. Similarly, try removing blah 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 interfaces. Let's develop our sample further. So there's a type or interface person, first name string, last name string, and we have a greeter and accepts person. Okay, cool. So that's nice. Then we have a classes. Final, let's extend example, create student class. Notice setting program, blah blah blah. Also know that public arguments construct shorthand that allows automatically correct properties. Public on arguments. Public. Use public on arguments to the constructor. Okay. It's a shorthand that also automatically create properties with that name. Ah, I see. So I don't have to like specify it in here. That's cool. And I just done. Okay, cool. And here they are creating it. So there's a class student in constructor. You put in those things: first name, second name, full name. Okay, interface person, greeter, and we put in person. A person has a first name and last name. We have his first name, has a last name. What about the middle initial? Huh? Because user is new student. Student is a full name. Where's this? Where's... It's missing one field. The middle initial. Person. The same. Class is great. Okay, so I want to try that. Running your TypeScript web app. Sure. Open greeter HTML browser and I'll see shit. That's it. Okay, so they are propagating the VSC, but I have IntelliJ installed, so we can do okay, I guess I am... Oh, see, and it's like 5 minutes, but I went through it like super fast. I was skipping, so I don't know. Don't trust. New project. Yeah, that one. And it will be called... Okay, so it will be a static web, and there's no TypeScript thingy in here, or at least I don't see it. So active project, what do we have here? There's some shit. No, JBus. Cloud, Spring, JavaFX, those, no, Maven, no, Groovy, Rails. There's the Scotland thingy, which slows down my... Okay, so I guess it is a static web then. And I'll do next. Then not in here, we'll put inside of... There's a study folder. Study, not study, it will be well, it will be in here, but the name will be what are my others projects? It's with small beginning, so it will be TypeScript playground, because, and we'll go now. Yeah, let's do this. What? Which files are you scanning? I have nothing in the project. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. I think I know what I did, and I don't like it. I might screwed up. Okay. Now it includes all. Yeah, that happened. Okay, so I will need to go there, delete everything. Hope it will be okay. So def. Oh, it will be idea projects. Come on, and here study. And yeah, so now we have this idea thing. This I should delete as well. Maybe CRC somewhere. Okay, so I will kill this. Kill. Kill, 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 kill. Can I? Okay, and I will close this. Yeah. Yeah. My monitor turns off for some reason all the time. Well, okay, so now I go here. I will delete you. Thank you for your services. Then I'll delete you. Thank you for your services as well. Now, do we have something else in here? There's email access is in... Maybe I can put it in the playground. Sure. Okay, so here I will create a new folder, and that will be type script playground. And I will create a project there. What is this? Oh, whatever. I don't want to know. Okay, so I'll close this. Now maybe I will be able to create a new project. Or maybe I will just open the IntelliJ and that will be it. Yeah, well. Study project? I don't want this study project. Cancel. 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 Where did you go? Come back. Ah, nice. Okay. So, we'll have. I want create a new project. And it will be static web. And it will not be untitled. I will choose the right thing, hopefully. Right, so that study. And let's go to the mall, playground. Today, TypeScript playground. This is the guy I want. Okay, TypeScript playground, TypeScript playground. And I'll finish in time. Well, not in time. We are a little bit over. Okay. Close. So we got that. And there should be nothing in the structure right now. That is okay for the time being. And why don't I see the project view? Oh, here we go. It's kind of slow. TypeScript playground sounds good. There's some folders in it. Okay, so that's all good and nice. And I can look in this, for example. And there's some source code. Okay, so we are way over the time limit. That means we are done. Done is better than perfect. And I will see you next time. Bye.